Welcome to my humble abode, your go-to channel for skincare. I'm not a professional and I don't claim to be one. I'm just a girl who is crazy over skincare. So in today's video, we are going to get the scoop on the Cosrx Honey Glow Kit. There is a timestamp in the description box below, so if you want to jump around the products, you're more than welcome to. This is available on most of my videos. And if you are a day one, you would have noticed that I have been posting twice a week now. I know, big goals, but I just want to be more on YouTube because I just love it and I enjoy interacting with you guys so much. So I do hope that when you start seeing a bit more diversified videos that's not 100% skincare, that you enjoy it and that you get to know me a little better. If this is something that you would be an audience for, just let me know in the description box below. Alright, so let's get back. Cosrx Honey Glow Kit. So if you buy the kit, which is available on the Seoul of Tokyo website, you get these three products. And in here there is the Propolis Synergy Toner, Propolis Light Ampoule, and a Propolis Light Cream. Let's kick straight into the toner. This has black bee propolis extract and honey extract, which claims to make your skin glowy and smooth. I mean, is that not what we aim for in skincare goals? So you have some big shoes to fill, little guy. So from a formulation perspective, there is 72% of black bee propolis extract. Propolis is not honey. Propolis is the brown resinous material that is collected by bees to build their hive. It smoothens and it softens the skin, and because it has healing properties, it works quickly to regenerate your skin. And this is what helps assist in your skin texture, making your skin smooth. Then there is 10% of honey extract in here. Girl, honey is as lovely on your skin as it is in your tea. In skincare, honey extract is likely a glycerin-based honey extract that has similar properties to pure honey. Just from my experience, honey definitely gives you a lot of radiance. It is hydrating, it is moisturizing, it is soothing, and it also has antibacterial properties. Personally, honey is one of my favorite skincare ingredients. One, because I have dry skin and honey is always my savior for my dry skin. And two, because I think that it's just one of those underrated ingredients that people just don't pay enough attention to. There is also, and I have to read this name, okay? Cassia obtusfolia seed extract. Oh my gosh. Welcome to my humble abode where I butcher skincare pronunciations. Sorry guys, but that will definitely pop up at the bottom here. So this is a polysaccharide. It's a plant extract, so it's a source of an antioxidant. This particular one though, it has a really good source of flavonoids, and flavonoids help defend the skin surface against damage from free radicals. That's actually also a really nice ingredient. And of course, there are humectants and moisturizers in here. Favorites like glycerin and sodium hyaluronate, which are skin identical. These skin identical humectants strengthen your skin barrier by strengthening your skin's natural moisturizing factor. And of course, there's others like butylene glycol, betaine, and panthenol. So you're getting a lot of hydration and moisturization from a formula perspective in here. So far, I'm absolutely loving this ingredient list. It is a damaged barrier, dry skin baby's dream. So let's discuss it from an experience point of view. It is a little thicker than water. It absorbs really well into the skin. It is super hydrating and it is so nourishing. It was almost like love at first use, honestly. My skin just drinks up this toner. It actually loves propolis extract. I have been enjoying this toner so much that I am going to buy the larger bottle of it. The large amount of propolis extract delivers maximum efficiency of propolis into the skin, especially if you love propolis as an ingredient. Definitely a yes for me. Next up, we have the Propolis Light Ampoule. This has a simple ingredient list. There is 83% of propolis extract. Then there's the Cassia obtusifolia seed extract. Oh, I don't know when I'll get used to that name, but we're seeing that ingredient again. Humectants in here that are skin identical: glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, arginine. And you guys, you know, if you were day ones on this channel, you know that I love skin identical ingredients because they really help strengthen your skin barrier. And a strong skin barrier means that allergens and bacteria stay out of your skin and your skin retains its moisture. And when you don't suffer from transepidermal water loss, which is basically where your skin struggles to retain its moisture, your skin looks plumpy, smooth, and youthful. So having a strong skin barrier is so important to me, and including skin identical ingredients in my skincare is a definite must. And of course, there's other moisturizers in here that you're seeing: panthenol and butylene glycol, to name a few. From an experience point of view, it has a thicker texture, as you can see, more jelly-ish, but it definitely hydrates without leaving a greasy feel to it. It absorbs well and easy into the skin, and it definitely gives that radiance dew. Can you see how that looks on my hand? So it's not a greasy radiance, it is just, it's so stunning. So the ingredient list is so similar to the toner. I mean, you can't love the toner and not love the ampoule. There is no doubt that this is really good. I think from a price perspective point of view, the toner is just more affordable, and I mean, you're getting all of that goodness into your skin, and this also gives you all of that goodness. I mean, if you got the Mandelas for it, then hey, buy this. But not all of us have, you know, that type of guap. We ain't got that mali like that yet. If I had to choose between the two, because the ingredient list is so similar, I'll definitely go for the toner, because for me the toner was the first thing I put into my skin. It was love at first use. This is also love at first use. From a price perspective, the toner is more economical. Alrighty, and the last thing on our list, the Propolis Light Cream. So this has 65% of propolis extract. There is honey extract in here, and you guys know I am a sucker for honey extract, as well as royal jelly extract, which will deliver antioxidants into your skin that helps you fight against free radicals. And free radicals just come to steal and destroy, and they're thieves on your skin. You know, they come in and they degrade your skin, and they degrade the collagen, and they just leave you looking dull and wrinkly. And having antioxidants in your skincare routine just comes and saves the day, because antioxidants help fight against free radicals. And of course, with the honey extract, you're getting hydration, you're getting soothing because of its known wound healing properties, as well as antibacterial benefits. There is sunflower seed oil in here, which is a non-comedogenic oil, so that means that it will not clog your pores. So you can definitely expect that moisturization to be delivered to your skin through the sunflower seed extract. And of course, there are humectants and moisturizers, as there always is. Glycerin and arginine, which are skin identical, and then you're seeing allantoin. So from an experience point of view, it feels thick and rich, and it absorbs easily and well into the skin. It definitely delivers hydration, but after some time, the moisturization definitely starts to disappear. So if you have dry skin, having something that's very occlusive that can seal into your skin is very important for us dry babies. So I didn't really love the use of this light cream. Like it says, you know, it's a light cream, and I automatically knew, I'm like, oh no, this dry skin does not like light creams. So if you are a combination or oily skin, you want to get propolis and honey into your skincare routine, but all the other products that you've looked at and you've seen has maybe just given you too much hydration or is too dense and thick and moisturizing for you, because when there's honey in products, usually they more directed to dry skin people. I think that you would really enjoy this. My dry skin babies, you're probably gonna have to layer a lot of hydrating toners onto your skin to effectively be able to use this light cream. So those are my thoughts on the Cosrx Honey Glow Kit. Like I said, I'm so obsessed with this toner. Definitely going to be purchasing a large bottle of it and adding it to my skincare staples. And on your side, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've gotten this far, then you might as well subscribe to my channel. It's always such a fabulous time being with you. I hope that wherever you are well and you are making good decisions, and I can't wait to see you again.